Hey, welcome back. We're in lesson 4. We're going to talk today about why do we practice becoming self-aware? What does it matter anyway? Let's go ahead and get started with our bear breathing. Remember to sit forward on your chair, knees over your ankles, feet directly forward. You can take out your hand or just follow along with my count. Bringing your hand to the end of your knee, take a deep breath in for 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 3, 2, 1. Last time, breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Last class we talked about self-awareness. What does self-awareness mean? Remind me. When we become self-aware, we have the ability to self-regulate. What does self-regulation mean? I like to think of self-regulation as the ability to control my reactions to the way I feel in my physical body, as well as the way that I feel in my emotional body. So let me give you an example of that. If my body's really sore or I'm really achy because maybe I went for a really long run last night, and so I feel achy, I might, if my friend comes and touches my shoulder, go, ow, don't touch me. And that's like a reaction, like my physical pain. But if I notice like I'm really sore in my body and my friend just is touching me to be like, hey, Brynne, I might say, oh, if you could be softer, my arm's a little sore from my run yesterday. Okay? Or let's imagine that I've had something really horrible happen before I come here to teach you this yoga class. And I come in and I'm in a bad mood and I say, sit up tall in your body. That might not feel really well. But if I notice that I'm in a bad mood, I might say, oof, I'm gonna let this go so that I can show up and be friendly and kind to people that I'm just learning to know. So it's the ability to be responsive rather than reactive. Tell me, why is it important to self-regulate? Think about with your friends at school or at home. Awesome, thanks for that discussion. Let's go ahead and get started with our yoga poses. Remember, not only are breathing exercises a great way to regulate, but also our yoga poses are a great way to help us regulate. Maybe when your body's not feeling great or your mind, yoga poses are a great way to let go of tension or even stress in our body as well as our minds. Touch your shoulders, touch your ears, bring your hands to the side of your body. Breathing in, lift your shoulders up to your ears. Breathing out, roll your shoulders on your back. 2, breathing in, lift your shoulders up. Breathing out, roll them down your back. One more time, big breath in, big breath out. Very good. Next, we're gonna do sunshine arms, ocean breath. Breathing in, stretch your arms up and overhead. Big ocean breath out. 2, breathing in. Breathing out. Last time, big breath in. Big breath out. Very good. Bring the hands to the side of your body. Look down to your feet and come up to stand in mountain pose. Lift your right leg up and put it down. Lift your left leg up and put it down. Touch your shoulders, touch your ears. Bring the hands to the side of your body. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Next, we're going to do our dog stretch. So taking yourself to the back of your chair. Remember, I will turn my chair. You do not need to move yours unless it's necessary. Bringing your hands to the back of the chair. Think about that puppy dog, taking a big stretch. Stretch your legs out. Bring your ears parallel to your arms, looking down towards the floor. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Last time we were together, we walked our doggies, so you can walk your doggy, and maybe you can even wag your doggy tail. That feels good, moving the hips, very good. And then let your dog be nice and still. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Look forward towards your chair. Slowly walk your doggy legs back to the back of your chair and stand in mountain pose. Warrior One pose up next, a nice strong pose to cultivate strength and flexibility in our body. So maybe if you feel your energy low, this is a fantastic pose to help you bring your energy up. And that's a great way to self-regulate. Keeping your right foot forward, step your left foot back. Left leg stays straight, bend your right knee. Holding onto the chair, and maybe this is where you stay. Like maybe this is a big enough stretch and you don't need to go further. That would be self-regulation. Wanting a bigger stretch, stretch the arms up. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. One more, deep breath in, deep breath out. Very good. Bring your hands to the back of the chair. Step back. We're in mountain pose. Left leg is forward. Right foot is back. Bend your left knee. Very good. Hips facing the back of your chair. One arm up, the other arm up. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. One more, deep breath in, deep breath out. Very good. Bring the hands to the back of the chair. Step back. You're in mountain pose. Bringing yourself back to the front of your chair, please. Walk forward to your chair. Stop in mountain pose. Look towards your seat and then come down to seat. Bringing your hands to your knees. Inhale, stretch your arms up. You are going to take your left hand to your right knee, your right hand behind you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist and look over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Stretch your arms up. Now you are going to take your right hand to your left knee and your left hand behind you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist and look over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Stretch both arms up. And exhale, bring your hands to your knees. Completing with our eagle arms. Inhale, stretch those eagle arms out. Exhale, cross one arm over the other and wrap your hands around. Take a tight squeeze. Squeeze yourself. Big hug. Big breath in. Big breath out. So I love to do this when I feel so excited that I just want to chit chat with my neighbors and I'm not supposed to. Sometimes I just hug myself and let it go. Stretch your arms out. And then go the other side. Bring your arms around, take a big breath in, big breath out. Stretch your arms out, bring your hands down. Mindful break, we're going to do our thumb and our finger. This time we're gonna let go of the counting that we did last time, and we're gonna really use our breath to move our body. Bringing our hands up, tucking all of your fingers in except for your pointer finger, tucking all of your fingers in and leaving your thumb out. As we breathe in, take a deep breath in, breathe out and we'll switch. Breathe in, breathe out and switch. Breathe in, breathe out and switch. So notice if you want to talk or laugh, just keep your focus. Regulate yourself with your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last time, breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Bring your hands to your knees. Slide yourself back in your chair, getting ready for relaxation, tense and release. As I call on a part of your body, when you breathe in, you will tighten only that part of your body. As you breathe out, you will relax and release that part of your body. Starting with your feet and only your feet. Breathing in, tight, 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 tight. Breathe out and release. Your legs, your thighs, your hamstrings, your shins, your quads. Breathe in, tight, 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 tight. Breathe out and release. Your low belly, your bottom, breathe in, tight, 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 tight. Breathe out and release. Upper chest, upper back, shoulders, breathe in, tight, 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 tight. Breathe out and release. Your hands, two tight fists, breathe in, breathe out. Your arms, breathe in. Your face, your whole face, tight, tight face. Your whole body, here we go, as tight as you can be, your whole body. Take a full deep breath in. Big ocean breath out. 30 seconds, becoming as calm, quiet, as still as you can be. Notice if you want to chat, move your body. Try to regulate yourself. Focus on your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Slide yourself forward in your chair. Bring your hands to the side of your body. Let's end with sunshine arms, ocean breath. Breathe in, arms up and overhead. Big breath out. Have a lovely day. Practical applications in the classroom. Discuss with students how their bodies show them when they are sad, angry, happy, excited. Ask students to share an example of what it would be like to be regulated versus dysregulated. Together with students, create a list of yoga tools they can use when they feel dysregulated.